Hello world, it's Vincenzo. Today we're going to unbox the Logitech K120 keyboard. Our model is coded, it has a USB connection and the US layout. As you can see, the front of the box has a picture of the keyboard, the Logitech logo and the model. The side of the keyboard has also a Logitech logo. The other side has a side view of the keyboard, and the back has another picture of the keyboard and some specification. Now let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see here, we have the actual keyboard and some paperwork. This is the USB connection. It seems like a good connection, and the keyboard has good keys. It is one of the better budget keyboard out there, so it's a good choice if you have a budget. Thank you.